In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GrabFood Voucher. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Grab on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now, on here, you can go ahead and click on the food section or go ahead and scroll down into your homepage and look for a specific food that you want to order. Now, once you click on that specific food, you'll get redirected into that specific restaurant name. In this section, you'll be able to find the reviews that other users have for the specific item. To be able to order that, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom right of that specific item that you want to order, and that will be added into your basket. So go ahead and click on that plus button. Now go ahead and head over to your basket. Now on your basket, go ahead and scroll down and click on the Use Offers button, which you'll find below the Cash button. Then here, go ahead and click on Use Grab Gifts, and that will redirect you into the section where you'll be able to enter the GrabFood voucher code that you've acquired. Now after you enter that, the voucher code will be applied to your order. And that is how you can simply use a GrabFood voucher code. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.